friends, Jai Swaminarayan. I am Rajendra Patel, Standard 6 English Medium, subject Maths, chapter number 3, Playing with Numbers. Friends, today we study about common factor. So what is the meaning of common factor? So find the common factor of 8 and 20. So first we find the factor of 8. So 1 into 8, 1 8 is 8. 2 into 4, 2 4 is 8. There is no 8 in 3 table. Here again 4 2 is 8. So 2 and 4 is repeated, so it is cancelled. Now the factor of 8 is equal to 1, 2, 4 and 8. 1, 2, 4 and 8. Now the factor of 20. 1 into 20. 2 into 10. We can't divide it 20 by 3 because we know the divisible test of 3. It is total 2. 2 is not divided by 3, so we can't divide it by 20. Then 4. 4 5 are 20. Then 5. 5 4 are 20. 4 and 5 are repeated, so it is do not count. Now the factor of 20 is 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. So you can see here the factor of 8 is 1, 2, 4 and 8, and the factor of 20 is 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. But which digit are same in both? So 1 is same, 1 is same, 2 is same, 2 is same, 4 is same, 4 is same. Here 8, but there is no 8 in 20. There is no 8 in the factor of 20, and there is no 5, 10 and 20 in the factor of 8. So it is not common. So common factor of 8 and 20. Common factors of 8 and 20 are 1, 2 and 4. 1, 2 and 4. Like this, we want to find the common factor of 9 and 15. B. 9 and 15. First, 1 9 is 9. We can't divide it 9 by 2 because we know the divisible test of 2. If any number had last digit 2, 4, 6 and 8 and 0, but here 9, so we can't divide it by 2. Then 3. 3 3 is 9. Here 3 is repeated. So only one time count, 1, 3 and 9. The factor of 9 is equal to 1, 3 and 9. Like this, the factor of 15, 1 into 15, we can't divide it by 2. 3 5 is 15, we can't divide it by 4. 5 3 is 15, both are repeated, so cancel. 1, 3, 5 and 15. But which are common factor? So here 1 and 3 are common. So common factors of 9 and 15 is 1 and 3. So this is common factor. Like this, we want to find common multiple. common multiple of 12 and 15. So what is the meaning of multiple? To start from 12, 12 1 ja 12, 12 2 ja 24, okay. चलो look here. तो 12 1 ja 12, 12 2 ja 24, 12 3 ja 36, 12 4 ja 48, 5 ja 60, 6 ja 72, 7 ja 84, 96, 108 and 120. So this is the multiple of 12. Means if again this number repeat, 12, 12 2 ja 24, 12 3 ja 36, 12 4 ja 48, 12 5 ja 60, 12 6 ja 72, 12 8 ja 84, 12 12 7 ja 84, 12 9 ja 12 8 ja 96, 12 9 ja 108 and 10 10 ja 20. Like this 15. So 15 1 ja 15, 15 2 ja 30, 45, then 4 ja 60, 5 ja 75, 6 ja 90, 7 ja 105, 8 ja 120, 135 and 150. But which number are saying here 12 but here nothing 12, here 24 here nothing 24, here 36 here nothing. Look here 60 direct, both are same. Then 108 125, these both are common multiple. These both are common multiple of 12 and 5. So friends, in common multiple, first we have to write the multiple. There is unlimited, infinitive multiple. So some condition, look here, find the first 3 common multiple. या और अदरवाइज या 4 या 5 मल्टीपल आपको पूछा जाएगा क्योंकि वो इन्फिनिटी होता है इसलिए. तो 12 and 15, 60 and 120 are common multiple. Now we are going to study about exercise 3.4. So sum number 1, find the common factor of 20 and 28. 20 and 28 first. So how we find? So first find the total factor of 20. 1 20 ja 20, 2 10 ja 20. We can't divide it 20 by 3. So 4 5 ja 20 and 5 4 ja 20. But 4 2 time, matlab only one. We have to take only one time any number. The factor of 20 is equal to 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Like this, the factor of 28. So 128 ja 28, 2 14 ja 3, 8 and 2, 10. We can't divide it by 10. 3, so we do not divide it 28 by 3. 4, 4 7 ja 28. 5, we can't divide. 6, we can't divide. 6 4 ja 28 repeated, so cancel. Now the factor of 28 is 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. But which are common? Common factor 1, 2, 4. So now answer common factor of 20 and 28 is 1 to 4. Like the common factor of 35 and 50. First 35. Here 135 is 35. We can't divide it this number by 2 because last number is 5. Then 3. So 5 plus 3 total 8. So we can't divide it by 3. 5. 5 7 ja 35. And 7 5 ja 35. Cut. Factor of 35 is equal to 1, 5, 7 and 35. Now 50. Common factor of 50. 150 is 50. 225. We can't divide it this by 3. 4. We can't divide it by 4. 5. 5 10 is 50. 6. We can't divide it by 6. 7. Can't divide it. 8. No. 9. 10 5 is again. It is second time repeat. So cancel. Now 50. 1, 2, 5, 10, 25 and 50. But which are common? So 1 and 5. So answer common factor of 35 and 50 is equal to 1 and 5. Like this. Now sum number 3. What is sum number 2? Find the common factor of. वो सेम इसलिए you have homework. Sum number 2 homework. Your homework is exercise 3.4 sum number 2. Now sum number 3. Find first 3 common multiple of 6 and 8. First 6 and 8. How many first multiple? So first 3 multiple. So we have to write table of 6. So 6, 6 to the 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54 and 60. Now 8. 8 1 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, then 56, then 1, 2, 3. Okay, now look here. We want only 3 common multiple. There is the first 6, 24. One is we got. Second 48, अभी भी बाकी है, we got only 2. तो आगे जाओ, तो 8 7 जा 56, 8 8 जा 64, 8 9 जा 72 and 8 10 जा 8 8 जा 9 9 जा 8 8 8 जा 64, 8 7 जा 1 6 8 1 जा 8, 8 2 जा 16, 8 3 जा 24, 8 4 जा 32, 8 5 जा 40, 8 6 जा 48, 8 7 जा 56, 8 8 जा 64, 8 9 जा 72, 8 10 जा 80. Now we want again 1. So here 6 8. We can't got more. So go more. तो 16 11 16 66, इसमें 6 प्लस करो, देन 72, then we got here 72, here also 72. So 1 2 and 3, 1 2 and 3. तो common multiple of of 6 and 8, but first 3, first 3 common multiple of 6 and 8 is 24, 48 and 72. This is the answer. Like this, you have to find the common multiple of 12 and 18. So friends, today we study about common factor and common multiple. In next period, we will study the exercise 3.4, sum number 3, 4 and 5. Jai Swaminarayan.